Best full motorcycle helmets. The demand for full-face motorcycle helmets has grown as riders prioritize safety, comfort, and style on the road. A good helmet doesn't just protect, it enhances your ride with better aerodynamics, reduced noise, and added features like Bluetooth or sun visors. This guide reviews the safety certifications, comfort, design, features, and value of the top 5 full-face motorcycle helmets to help you find your perfect fit. List number: Bluetooth modular motorcycle helmet. Certified, flip-up, full-face, integrated anti-fog dual mask helmet, street motorcycle. This Bluetooth modular helmet combines advanced tech with robust safety features. Certified, it boasts a flip-up design, anti-fog dual mask, and an integrated Bluetooth system for hands-free calls and navigation. The ventilation system keeps you cool, while the dual visor provides sun protection and clear visibility in all conditions. The modular flip-up is perfect for riders who want full-face protection with the convenience of an open face when needed, making it ideal for touring or daily commuting. List number 2. Open-face motorcycle helmet for adults. Approved. 3/4 retro Vespa helmet, dual visors, men's and women's. For riders who prefer a retro aesthetic without sacrificing safety, this open-face helmet delivers. Approved and featuring a 3/4 design, it balances protection with airflow and visibility. The dual visors, a clear outer and sun shield inner, provide flexibility for day or night rides. Lightweight and stylish, it channels vintage Vespa vibes while still meeting modern safety standards. It's a perfect choice for urban riders, scooter enthusiasts, or anyone wanting a throwback look. List number 3. Bell Qualifier Full-Face Motorcycle Helmet. Matte black small. Bell's Qualifier is a classic, trusted full-face helmet that excels in both safety and affordability. With a lightweight polycarbonate shell, padded wind collar to reduce noise, and a click-release shield system, it delivers premium features at an accessible price point. The interior padding is removable and washable, and it's DOT certified for your peace of mind. The aggressive styling and matte black finish give it a sleek, no-nonsense appeal, perfect for sport bike riders or commuters alike. List more. Scorpionexo Covert FX Full-Face Adult Motorcycle Helmet. Street Fighter style with Bluetooth-ready speaker pockets. DOT ECE 22.06 approved unisex. Matte. For riders who want a bold, aggressive look, the Scorpionexo Covert FX delivers Street Fighter styling without compromising safety. DOT and ECE 22.06 certified, it features a lightweight shell, excellent ventilation, and a dark, intimidating aesthetic. The helmet is also Bluetooth ready with built-in speaker pockets, making it ideal for tech-savvy riders. Its comfortable interior and advanced aerodynamics ensure long rides stay enjoyable. This helmet is perfect for those who want to stand out while staying protected. List 5. One Storm Motorcycle Modular Full-Face Helmet Flip-Up Dual Visor Sun Shield. HB89 Aero Pink. The One Storm Modular Helmet is a fantastic choice for riders looking for versatility and flair. Its flip-up modular design makes it convenient to wear and remove, while the dual visor system, a clear outer and tinted inner, keeps your vision clear in any lighting. The standout pink aero design adds personality, making it especially appealing for riders who want both function and style. DOT certified and budget-friendly, it's a reliable choice for daily rides or weekend adventures.